hell? We don't know what we doing, so we just finna do whatever. I saw this girl on TikTok talking about ramen in a jar.
I saw some girl do this on TikTok a while ago, and I became so obsessed with it that people make fun of me for it. But this is what I mean by portions of soup.
The shit look delicious, so I'm gonna do my own version. These are my vegetables that I'm putting inside. Okay. And here we go. I need to get something to stuff be in my way. It be bothering me. Okay. So we're gonna do that pan. Should we put the sauce in first? Yeah, let's do the sauces. Boom. Stinking. If they turn out good, then I'll post the recipe. How about that? Cause I can't tell y'all what this gonna taste like, right? But the kind of chef I am, I'm sure it's gonna be fine. Let's see, cause I'm eyeballing. I'm not measuring shit. Look, I'm seeing a little water in the bottom. Don't mind if y'all see little water. Okay. These was just washed. Okay, so it's already looking like we're gonna have 2 different recipes, and we fine with that. Ew. Oh God. Y'all can see I'm getting rid of all the stuff that I got just a little bit left of in my refrigerator.
The ghetto. The ghetto. The ghetto.
Girl, it's gone. It's gone. We can put a little water in here. I might as well get all this other stuff that's going out too, because that one was empty. God damn. Ooh, gochujang. Korean chili pepper paste. We definitely gonna hit it with that. Definitely, it's gonna be spicy. Okay. This is jalapeno pepper. I love all my ramen to be spicy, so yes, it's gonna be spicy. I'm just using the rest of this. Yeah, that's good. Okay, see, we cleaning the fridge. Okay, now this is the no chicken better than bouillon, which again, I said I'm not giving y'all the recipe, so don't expect me to tell you another ingredient. Okay, this is lemongrass. I know this is also really good. She went to her room, thanks. Where'd she go? Lisa! Lisa! I told him that, you know, he don't understand. Thanks, say hi. Guess what I saw? Look. here mixing all kind of ingredients and don't know what this gonna end up tasting like. But oh yeah, that do kind of stink. My God, girl, hurry up. Put the lid on this stuff. Girl, that stink. Okay, let's go faster. Oh, damn. I forgot. We gotta put the noodle in first, y'all, so we can have room. This stank. I can tell you right now. It stank. Okay. Do your thing. You cute. Yeah, I'm not gonna play with your brother. Oh, that's a perfect bundle. Yeah, see, I saw this TikTok about how you can make ramen in a glass. These particular 2 ingredients, fish sauce and oyster sauce, I don't know. I did try the fish sauce in my noodles when I made them on the stove the other day. I haven't tried the oyster sauce, so hopefully it's not nasty because look, I'm already committed. But yeah, I'm meal prepping, girl. But yeah, this is the easiest meal prep. I've been waiting all day to do this. Look at this. They fit perfectly. They fit perfectly. And these are brown rice. There's only 4 in there. Okay. I didn't know it was 4. Well, good. Because I need to try these out. I got a feeling this gonna be delicious. It stank. I ain't gonna lie to you. Sorry, peanut butter. No, well that's on y'all. That is what I'm supposed to do. Y'all, why can't I break these? Oh. Genius. Okay, we have to break those in half, but we still work with them. I'm gonna put a little ginger. Let me get a fork. A little ginger. First. Give me a second, please. Thank you. Y'all, it stank. I ain't gonna cap. It stank. My God. Yeah, I gotta hurry up and put the lid on it. It stank. It stank.
Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me go like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could play suck a watermelon to a straw. Believe me, every other day you make new hair. Come take me out this new player. I be waiting on you with some more. You ready to down low like bombs? You ready, boom. Nothing but a roll in your house. I wanna put this pretty cute toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone when you work. You gotta see me in person.
What a hot dog day. Okay. What a hot dog day. That's what I be saying. What a damn hot dog motherfucking day. Thanks for stopping by. These look so good. Okay. I did that. Okay, we're gonna scoot the bushes to the side. Let me show you. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna put the lid on it and show you. I'll be right back. I had to clean up my mess. We back. Dang. Hold on, let me put this so y'all can see. I just sat up here and damn mix match the flavors. Oh well. Oh damn well. Well, too damn bad.
Tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad!
No. Girl, no. I don't want to see. You gonna scare me. Really dark. Yeah, go ahead. You're doing a good job. She's just mad. Oh well. That scares me. I don't want to look at that dragon. I didn't know I was. What you doing? Oh. Liz, you're not scared. Yes, you are. Liz, she's moving too.
I can't tell if it's like skin shedding.
I'm like, ain't she shedding? So it's gonna look a little funny. Don't put her down on my floor. No, she's like, oh. I don't know why I let you get a picture, Agnes. Really?
Actually, I'm responsible.
Girl, shut up. Yes, you're responsible. Y'all see? Yes. Oh, this the one with the linguine rice noodles. Sir, I'm trying to do my video. Come here. Yeah. Get off my hair. I'm trying to do a video. Anyway, so this is what we got. I'm gonna put some water in it. The girl said put water in it. I'm pretty sure you can't put this in the damn. You can't put metal in the microwave. So you put water in it, fill it up almost to the rim, put it in the microwave for 2.5, 3 minutes, and then bon appetit. So this is gonna be my lunch. I'm gonna make some salads. I don't have no lettuce, so I gotta go to the store for that. Got everything but the damn lettuce. So carrot. I gotta make my juices. The baby over here, he taking the damn vegetables. Carrot, orange. Carrot. Yes. So I'm gonna make the juice. And yeah, so I'm gonna have my juice. I'm gonna have my soup. I'm gonna have my salad. And we're gonna be snatched because I'm about to be 30. Apple. Yes. I'm about to be 30, so I ain't got time to play no more. Hot dog. Hot dog. Apple. Okay, put my apple back now. Put it in there. Put it. Yes. Put it in there. Yes. Put my apple back. Put the apple in there, please. Thank you. Please put the apple back. Please put the apple back. Please put the apple back. Please put the, it's not a ball. Oh, put the apple back. I'm about to take it from you. You want to put it in there or you want me to take it? Because you're not stronger than me. So do you want to put it back or you want me to take it? 3, 2, 1, put it back. 3, 2, 1, throw it in the bowl. Give me 3. Give me 3. Yay! High five. High five. High five. High five. I don't give a damn. I love you. I love you. Okay, you wanna fall out? That's your business. Okay, I have to put this in the refrigerator. He acting up. He's acting up, and we don't care. We don't care. Bye. See you soon. Y'all see the mushrooms? Don't they look like chicken? But it's not. It's not. Just a little shiitake mushroom. You can see that cabbage in there, the green onion. We got ginger, all of my spices, all the stuff, all the fixings. And then this is the one with the linguine rice noodles. I cannot wait to eat these. I just can't wait. I'm a ramen girl in a ramen world. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Ain't no damn wash. Clean those wipes up. My God. Can't not look at the boy for 2 seconds. Put it in the trash. Come on, stay. Come on, stay. Oh my God. My God. Ain't no nothing. Ain't no spaghetti-o. You did that on damn purpose. Oh, watch your head. Could have knocked me out. That's the only wipe you gonna get. Do you know how much money this was? This $3 a wipes. You ain't got a damn job. And you can't wipe the floor with stuff and then wipe your hands and your face and everything else. Look at all these wipes. I mean, you gonna have to get a job. The hell?